buttery, crispy, blueberry butter swim biscuits. You want some? Hi OFT family, welcome to Trendy Dish Thursday. So today I am making, I've seen this all over my For You page, blueberry butter swim biscuits. So I'm using good old Martha White, 2 packages of blueberry mix. I put it in a bowl with a 1.5 cups of buttermilk. Now, if you don't have buttermilk, you don't carry buttermilk in your house, whatever the measurement is, measure your milk just shy of whatever measurement of buttermilk you need and fill up the rest with vinegar and let it sit on your counter for about 10 minutes or so. You got buttermilk. Little trick. So get this all mixed in. I made the strawberry version of this last weekend in our snowstorm. They didn't even last 24 hours. So once that's all mixed in, I have a 8x8 pan with 1 stick of butter melted. And then we're gonna put this in there. Also preheat your oven to 450. And then you're just gonna pour this batter in there. I like to do dollops instead of just pouring it down in there. And then this last dollop can go in this corner. And you're gonna spread this out. And you're gonna just kind of spread it in the pan as gently as you can and get it to all 4 corners. And then you're gonna take a knife and you're gonna cut through this dough to 9 pieces. Cut it through. Go, and you're gonna put this in a 450-degree oven for about 25 minutes, and then we'll bring them out and I'll show you how we're gonna ice them. We are back with our blueberry butter swim biscuits. Look how good they look, guys. Do you see that? All the butter on the bottom was bubbling when I took it out. I let them cool for 5 minutes or so. I'm gonna make a quick little icing. So in a bowl, I'm gonna take some powdered sugar. I just guess on this, guys. I go by consistency and not by measurements. I'm probably gonna say I do maybe a cup, 3/4 of a cup of powdered sugar. My husband's laughing at me. I need milk. So just add a little bit of it at a time, guys. You can always add, you can't take away. So I just add just a little drop. And then I'm gonna use a little bit of vanilla. I got vanilla bean paste, so I'm gonna use just maybe a 1/2 teaspoon, not much, just a little bit. Drizzle that in there. Looks good, guys, looks good. All right, so then we're gonna blend this together and see if I'm at the right consistency that I need without trying to get everything all over the place. All right, see now it's looking a little thick for me. I'm gonna add just a little bit more milk. You want it to be able to drizzle a little bit, right? So kind of go by your eye and kind of just see. Let's see what we got here. See like that? See that nice little drizzle? I think that works for me. And you are just going to drizzle this all over your blueberry swim biscuits. And you don't have to be fancy. You just drizzle on over.
Ooh.
We have commentary here, guys. Just drizzle that over. And remember, we pre-cut them a little bit, so it makes it a little bit easier getting these out. So I'm gonna get this little guy here. I think I missed some of this bottom. Look at that, guys. All right, let's give her a taste. Blueberry butter swim biscuits. Do you see this, the steam coming off of them? With a simple, just powdered sugar, milk, vanilla drizzle. This is just warm And this is comfort on a plate right here. This is so good. It's not terribly sweet because the biscuit mix is not super duper sweet, and you taste the blueberries, and of course you taste the butter. And then the icing, just a great finishing touch. You've got to try this for your kiddos, for your husband, for your wives. Great little snack, guys. As always, wherever you are today, you are loved, you are blessed, and you are part of our family table. Bye for now.